Hello everyone, let's move to question document examination. Um, let's move to module 1. The title is document. Document any material containing marks, symbols, or signs either visible, partially visible that may present or ultimately convey a meaning to someone, may be in the form of pencil, ink, writing, typewriting, or printing on paper. The term document applies to writings to words printed, lithograph or photograph, to maps or plans, to seal plates, or even stones on which inscriptions are cut or engraved. Latin word documentum, French word is dossier. Questioned is any material which some issue has been raised or which is under scrutiny. Scrutiny is undergo og examination. Example like gireklamo ka kay tungod na ay gireklamo ka kay tungod na ay ga suon sa imong perma, mao nang i-under investigation ang imong paper, which is question. Question document. It is an authenticity, identity, or origin. And disputed document, validity of document, legal case. Standard document or known source. Like a standard document is you examine kung parehas ba or dili, like you compare something, and for the basis kung i-compare og unsay nawala sa document, like kung unsay naa diri, like kompleto diri di naay pahak diri. Specimens is other known sa standard document. An exemplar is a term used by some document examiners and attorneys to characterize known material. Standard is the older term. Exemplar is a new term used by attorney. New term nga gina-use sa attorney. Holograph document is a completely written and signed by one person. Like mga Noli Me Tangere nga own author, which is si Jose Rizal. Even walay witness nga mailhan iya adyo na nga document. Kay siya ra gyud ka author ana nga own ra gyud na niya nga own ra gyud na niya nga libro. And holograph is a seal specific feature, and hologram like ang hologram is like sample is like atong naay murag buok-buok sa money, na katong nasa kilid sa money. Reference collection is a typewriting, check writing specimens, inks, pens, pencils, and papers are frequently maintained. Like kani ba siya nga ball pen, like i-identify ni siya nga mao ba ni ang nagamit nga ball pen, mao na ang reference collection. Kinds of documents. We have a public document. Public document kay na notaryuhan by attorney, example deeds and land titles. And we have number 2, official document issued by the government. Example, PSA atong mga birth certificate, NBI clearance, police clearance. Also, the private document, example is the contract or love letters, mga diaries, or any private nga pang personal ra mo siya. And commercial document, example is purchase or receipt, like kanang nipalit ka sa mga mall kanang mga nairesibo, mo na ang commercial document. Electronic document, electronic emails, PDF kanang kuan na siya, giagi na ang imong document sa computer, like nahimo na siyang files. And let's move forward to module 2, which is the title of the historical background. Paper are interlaced sheets of fiber, usually cellulose fibers from plants, but sometimes from cloths, rugs, or other fibrous materials. So, noon man gyud na ang paper no sa ato nga noon natong papers kahoy. But sa historical na ay mga rugs, um, any materials nga mahimo siyang paper. So, papyrus is came into use about 3,500 BC. People of Egypt, Palestine, Syria, and Southern Europe used it soft, spongy tissue of the stem, grass-like herb. Cyber paper used to make a writing material known as papyrus. Parchment made from skin of animals, sheep, calves, or goats. Vellum, fine skin from young calves, orchids, and the term name. It is widely claimed that invention of paper is generally attributed to Chinese court official. It is Chai Lun. Chai Lun. Writing, writing instrument, we have a pen, common, ball pen. It came from the Latin word penna or feather. Ballpen nga na ay feather. Itong mga ginagamit ni Jose Rizal pansulat sa iyang mga libro. A tool for writing or drawing with colored fluids such as ink or writing instrument used to apply inks to the paper is a pen. Pen leaves the toe division or points which from the writing process. Itong mga pinakagamay nga circle sa ballpoint nato. So, historical background sa mga ballpen. Number 1 is reed pen swamp red. Water grasses found Egypt, Armenia, and along the shores of the Persian Gulf were prepared by leaving them underdung hens. Heps of several months. It was the first writing tool that had the writing slightly frayed like a brush. Mara na siya og kawayan nga hait, something nga na gamugawas. Kill pen, ang kill pen is usually ginagamit siya, like ni Jose Rizal, ginagamit nga na siya feather. Made from the outer wings feather of any bird, those of ghost, swan, or crow, and later turkey were preferred. And C, steel point pen. This is a bronze may have been known to Romans. The earliest mention of Brazilian pens was in 1465 by calligrapher Juan de Diez. This is the first patented steel pin point was made by the English engineer Brian Duncan. Fountain pen, it is by Lewis Waterman, New York insurance agent, but then is the practical fountain pen in containing its own ink reservoir. And na letter E is a ballpoint pen. Kato na gyud siyang usually nga ginagamit na nato nga ball pen. Ana na siya circle. Fiber tip pen. Kana siya katong pang painting dito nga. Kuha na siya masyag cloth something dari nga naiga iyanana na siya. Felt tip markers. Mga markers katong itusok-tusok lang siya nga mogawas ang ink nga made from dense natural or artificial fibers. Ink is a fluid viscous. We have number 1, India ink is the oldest form ink, and iron gallotannate ink is made of gallotannic acid from the gallnuts. Lagwood ink. It is the purple dark color and saturated lagwood. Indelible ink. Ink is rarely used in paper because of its permanent heavy ink that penetrate the paper and cannot be removed at all. Copying inks, similar to writing inks in composition, but in addition contain small amounts of glycerin or sugar. Secret inks or the invisible inks, water resistance writing and drawing inks these inks are a special group of G-stuff inks. They consist of a pigment paste and a solution of shellac made of soluble water by means of borax. Alphabet, we have the iconographs, which is First, form written, ideograph, simple drawings, pictographic writing, hieroglyphics, hieroglyphics, and cuneiform. And let's move forward to Module 3 title is the various aspect of question document. Examination and scientific method in the examination of question document. And so the various aspect of question document examination is the number one, examination of handwriting. The author or the one who wrote say right, miscellaneous aspect. The identification or so-called verification or signature is treated herein as a specialized branch of handwriting identification. Classes of question documents. Documents with question signature alleged to have a signature, and question documents alleged to have been containing fraudulent alteration. Ang intentional changes like erase nimo, and then questioned or disputed holograph wheels. So we have a holograph wheel written in the handwriting of the testator. Testator is the person making the will. An example is personal big guess. A person might write a holographic will, and notarial will is signed by the testator before a notary public with 3 witnesses. Classes of disputed signature. Simple or spurious. There are signature written freely by impostor. Wala nila gi-imitate ang handwriting sa isa ka tawo. Trace or forgery. Signature tas ang imong paper kay for trace. Gi imong genuine signature tas ang imong paper for trace. Copied for simulated forgery, light or carbon. Copied or simulated forgery, gi-copy, gi-forge. Forge signature of fictitious name using imaginary name as if nag-exist ang kana nga name. Genuine signature that the writer is honestly unwilling to accept as genuine. Like sa thesis, nagpaperma ka sa teacher sa kabisi sa teacher, nakaperma siya without knowing nga napermahan na day na niya. And then genuine signature obtained by tricky na ilad. Genuine signature deliberately written illegibly or in unusual manner to avoid identification. Gituyo nimo imuhang signature to avoid identify, like titulo sa yuta tas naay mo ang perma. So pag perma agyan nimo imong gilahi kay para dili mailhan or i-deny nimong imo dayon na nga firm imuha na nga signature. We have a technical terms: addition, any matter made after its original preparation; conclusion, document examiner; erasure, examination, expert witness; insertion or interlineation, non-identification; and we have obliteration, opinion, and qualification. So we're gonna move to Module 5 because the Module 4 are the summative of us. So the lesson title is Techniques in the Examination of Question Document. Techniques in the examination of questions documents a microscopic examination. Exam number 1. An examination or study which is made with a microscope in order to discover minute physical details, like it reveals erasure and minor alteration. Kani siya nga microscopic examination even though naay igam nang erasure bito kay ang erase man gud kay dili naman gud nato makit-ano kung sa ato arang naked eye. Pero pag sa kani nga microscopic examination makita ang erasure and ang minor nga gi-altered. And also we have the transmitted light examination. In this examination, the document is viewed with the source of illumination behind it and the light passing through the paper. Ma-compare ang kabag-on sa duha ka documents which is alleged or ang original. The quality of the paper that they that they had, ang original document kay baga, tas ang alleged document kay lahi ang iyang texture, like murag ma-compare ang kuan sa duha ka paper kung asay original asay alleged. Oblique light examination. Decep an examination with illumination so control that it grazes or strikes the surface of the document from one side at a very low angle. Decipherment of faded handwriting, determination of outlines, and tracing forgery, embossed impression. Mga lakra which is kanang intended writing, kanang mga magkuan ka, magsuwat ka, ay mga lakra-lakra sa ilalom ana, ngayon na like mga side lighting kanang makita ang luta kanang murag na ay shadow after magsulat, so there is a tracing na nahitabo. We have a photographic examination. This type of examination is very essential and very document examination, actual observation recorded in the photographs. And we have the ultraviolet examination. Ultraviolet examination, makita ang kanang mga unsay mga kuan na po di pang allege sa ay gipang forge sa paper. Like for example, ultraviolet no naman gina siya sa forensic science nga ang ultraviolet kay makita man gani na ang blood nga murag wala kanang dili gid makita nato sa naked eye, something yun na. And mga ano lang ni siya nga exam sa dark room kay para makita jud siya ayo. So, and lastly is the infrared examination. This examination of documents employs invisible radiation beyond the red portion of the visible spectrum, which is usually recorded on a especially synthesized photographic emulsion. Pinakataas na wavelength ang infrared examination. Kanang matabunan og baga na ink makita gihapon na like kanang tabala tabon-tabunan pa na nimo i-reason pa na nimo siya ayo kay kita as a person nga mag naked eye lang ato ang use, di naman gyud nato na makita kay i-reason na makan pag i-reason ayo, pero kani siya nga examination even though baga jud kina siya nga ink makita pa jud na siya. And so miscellaneous examination, erasure. Natay one of the common inquiries in question documents is whether or not an erasure was actually made on a document. In cases like this, the following examination are made: physical inspection using ultraviolet light, observation with light striking the surface at a sharp angle, and observation under the microscope may be considered. Fuming with iodine is use na sila og chemical to para makita ang unsay mga kuan sa mga stain diha. And dented writing, mga lakra. And burn or charred paper, kanang naay part sa paper nga like di ba masunog, na may part sa paper nga mo itom, naay itom diha. Ginagamitan lang gyapon na nila chemical methods and photographic methods or photographic plates. Adding machine, like for example, na special paper tas nagkagubot sa office tungod kana nga special paper kay tungod kato nga kuan kay gikan pas gikan pas 100 katong document kay gikan pa gyud sa 100 years na 100 years ago nga document. So ma-identify ang machine kung unsa jud ang unsay gihimo, unsay machine na gigamit atong nga paper or document. Let's proceed to the module 6, which is titled of different instrument and apparatus used in question document examination. The main lesson, instrument and apparatus used in question document examination. Magnifying lens. Bank personnel and other people involved in currency examination usually use ordinary hand lens, the maximum diameter of which is 4 inches, and this appears big with its wide frame. It has a magnifying power of 2 times the original only. Magnifying lens, guys, it's katong magnifying lens. Katong lens murag sa imong lens sa imuhang eyeglasses. Shadowgraph, a pictorial image formed by casting a shadow usually of the hands upon a rightful surface of a screen. Stereoscopic binocular microscope. A three-dimensional 3D enlargement is possible used in the following. Discover the defects in structure and typewriting. Stroke, guys, is kanang mga nga bungi-bungi nga mga letter nato diha nga nang lapas ang mga tag-as, mga S kanang mga tag-as nga mga nana. Discover overlapping of line and even distribution of ink, overwriting, an ink line crossing a fold, fraudulent addition and interlineation, erasure and pencil outline of forged signature. Kani siya nga in stereoscopic feeling ay na we have this on nani siya sa among forensic science lab. Now number 4 is the measure and test plates, transparent glass, those used for signatures and typewritings. Table lamps with adjustable shades, used for controlled illumination, needed and side light, examination, wherein light is placed at a low angle in a position oblique to plane or document. And number 6, transmitted light gadget, a device where lights come from beneath or behind glass on a document is placed. Kato siyang something box siya nga iana lang nimo ang money na makita diya sa sulod. Ultraviolet lamp, this is usually used in the detection of counterfeit bills but can actually be used to detect security features of qualified documents. Specimen under UV light. Infrared viewer primarily used to decipher writings in a charred document. Comparison microscope. Similar to that of the bullet comparison microscope, a kind of microscope is specially constructed so as to facilitate side-by-side strong microscopic details. Video spectral comparator. It is used in the examination of masked or obliterated text, watermarks, visible fluorescence, paper fluorescence, and oblique illumination of indented writing and embossing features in Taglio script. 11. Electrostatic detection apparatus. It detects indentation, indented writing. It recorded the transparency of any indentions. And number 12, the last is the camera. Consists of a light tight box designed to hold the photographic film. It is equipped with a lens system by which the image is found on the film and a shutter device by which the desired light is admitted to expose the film. Camera, like mga camera nga Canon, camera nga any camera, basta camera siya nga katong ana lang siya. Dili siya katong may ana. Pero I think pwede po siya mahimong ingon ana. And let's proceed to the last module, which is module 7. The title of lesson is Procedures in the Utilization of the Equipment and Apparatus. Procedure and the utilization of the equipment and apparatus. The most important purpose of question document examination is to make available evidence about a suspicious or questionable document by means of a variety of scientific processes and methods. Different types of tools and appliances are used for the purpose of document examination, such as magnifiers or microscopics, electrostatic detection apparatus, video spectral comparator. The most significant tool of a document examiner is his or her vision. In addition to all this, the outer tools, which facilitate the examiner to see, evaluate, and record more than evident to the unaided eye. The microscope is the instrument that makes it possible to see physical evidence on document which would otherwise remain invisible and useless. The normal unaided human eye can differentiate only 250 separate lines to the inch. This means that the small details which involve proportion or separation are less than 1 to 250. These tools can be grouped into six categories: basic measuring tools, magnification, light sources, special instrument, photography, and computer. Basic measuring tools com- comprise comprises metric rulers, calipers for fine measurement, and an assortment of glass alignment plates, which allow comparison and measurement of angles, height, width, and space of handwriting and typewriting. A tool for both measurement and magnification is a reticle, which is a magnifier eyepiece containing an imprinted measurement scale which allows the examiner to precisely measure what is viewed under the microscope. We have light sources. Light sources include transmitted light, infrared light, also long and short wave ultraviolet light. Transmitted light it Transmitted light is simple light from the back of a document. The document can be laid upon the box, and the light from the rear of the document makes it possible to see details not otherwise visible. Special instruments, UV and IR infrared lights are used to make distinction between inks and papers, and to reveal obliterated materials. Photography using specific films and filters can be done in conjunction with these special lights to reveal and record information. Photograph equipment. A significant use of photograph in document examination is for record and presenting evidence. Kasabot mo dito si photograph equipment no. Photograph. A critical element of the job of the document examiner is to present evidence to the parties involved in a document dispute. The examiner must be talented to state and clarify his, her, or her opinion. The best service is given when the examiner goes to the final step of illustrating testimony with visual evidence. Photo equipment expected to include a 35 mm SLR camera. And also, we have a computer equipment. The last group, computer equipment, is a new and diverse category. Computer. Pinakabag-o na karon kay computer. I-convert na lang ng mga kuan sa computer day. Mga evidence halos sa computer. Beyond doubt, the computer is an indispensable aid to anyone who writes reports, runs a business, and handles finances. But in document examination, there is a lot more to do with a computer. A whole new area of potential document fraud has developed around the computer, just as the examiner once had to switch from the study of handwriting to learn about a new machine, the typewriter know he must gain knowledge of the computer and the output devices that are associated with it. For example, scanning documents and cautious use of image processing software offers the potential to discriminate between inks and reveal obscured writing.